Hi guys, the Cheeky Bumm here. Today I have a Hogwarts house-inspired tree garland for you. That is a mouthful. So it's going on my Harry Potter inspired Christmas tree this year. I'm using it as a tree garland, but you could use it as whatever you wanted. You could use it as a wall hanging, bunting, whatever your magical little heart desires. But this time I'm using it for my Harry Potter Christmas tree. So let's get started. The supplies that you're going to need to do this project are scissors, glue stick, paper circles or a hole punch if you'd rather use that, and twine. First you're going to want to cut your circles. You can cut them by hand, use a hole punch, or even use a cricut machine. A cricut machine comes in handy to cut those circles, especially if you don't have a house elf to do it for you. I decided to go with 2-inch circles. I had a hole punch, but it was only 1 inch, and I thought that was too small. I wanted them bigger. So I went with 2 inches, and I used a cricut to do these. However many circles that you have is completely up to you. The more circles you have, the longer your garland's gonna be. So I wanted my garland to cover most of my tree, so I cut a lot of circles. This is where your house elves come in handy. So you're gonna keep folding those circles until you have a million circles. Look at this pile. It's not quite a million. I think that I used 3 sheets of each house color. Of course, I doubled up on the yellow and the gray. I don't remember how many circles were on each page. I believe there was maybe 12 or 14. Next, I laid down a piece of parchment paper. It's a good tip. When you're gluing things, the things that you're gluing won't stick to the parchment paper. First, I'm going to do Hufflepuff. So I'm taking a yellow half circle and gluing it to a black half circle. I'm going to do this alternating colors until I have 6 pieces, 3 of each, to complete a full circle. When you have all 6 pieces together, it will look like this. But don't glue it all the way together. First, take your twine. I put a knot at the end so I have a little loop so I can hang it on my tree or hang it up on the wall or whatever you want. But take that and tie a knot like so. Give it a couple inches and put that twine in between before you glue the last 2 pieces together. And you do it like so that it stays on the twine and you have your little circle. Go through all the pieces and make sure that the glue is holding and it's all sticking together and it looks cute. See? You're going to continue to do this over and over and over. It's not a fast project by any means, and I did go through like 2 glue sticks and many hours. I think it took me about a week total because I didn't sit down and do it all at once. I dabbled in it here and there. I went on vacation, came back and finished it. It was like a never-ending project, but the end result is so cute and I really do love it. Look, there's only 4 pieces on here, and just look how cute it is already. Imagine a whole string of them. Look, here we are a week later, still working on it. I even have different nails. But anyway, here I am, trucking along, singing my little song, Happy Doodah Day. I wish I had a house elf to do all this magical work. But now that I'm here, I'm finished. I put another little loop at the end so I had a spot to hang it on the tree on the other side. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and fluff up all these little circles that I've made so that they're all spaced out evenly and all cute looking. You don't want them flat and stuff. So from sitting on my desk or just working on them in general, I just wanted to fluff them up, make sure that they're, I guess, all fluffed up. I don't know how else to explain it. Yay, finally, we're done. Here's the final result. What do you guys think? I love it. I find it very homey and cute, something you find on the Weasleys' Christmas tree. All those Hogwarts houses represented. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope that you guys come back and see some more things that I do. So subscribe, push the notification.